Hello everybody. Model kits, the snap kit 132 scale from the brand Aoshima, and I have completed the model. I have two actually. This is the older version, so paint is not needed, glue is not needed. All these are stickers. There are some parts like the mirror which I use glue, otherwise it might come off. Even the wipers are stickers. So this is the Suzuki Jimny. This is also the Suzuki Jimny. This is from the 1980s. There's no window here. So this is very nice. I like this. Size comparison. It has grown a bit. This is 20 years younger. This is 20 years older. Plastic model kit, no paint needed, no glue needed, except for the side mirror. I use glue, otherwise it will fall off and get missing. So the Suzuki Jeep is a very capable off-road vehicle. Wheels are at the corner to minimize overhang. But these cars are quite expensive in my country. A second-hand one like this from the 1980s still fetch around 20,000 ringgit. And the new one, 100 over ringgit, 100 over 1,000. I have no idea why. Because it's like the mini of SUV. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.